nagging, nagging. Constantly complaining. When will she stop nagging? She nagged so much that he got a headache. Shove, shove. To push hard. The kids were shoving each other in line. In frustration, she gave the boy a hard shove. Whack, whack. Hit, with the object. She whacked her husband with the pillow. Don't whack your brother. Ditch, ditch. To get rid of. After his eye surgery, Thomas ditched his glasses. She ditched her old phone for a new one. Sob, sob. Cry, noisily. Jenny began to sob after hearing the sad news. The little boy sobbed when he lost his toy. Pout, pout. To make a sad face, by pushing the lips together. Emma pouted when no one clapped after her song. Lena pouted when her ice cream fell. Smirk, smirk. To smile inappropriately. She smirked when her plan worked perfectly. Don't smirk at me like that. Sniffle, sniffle. To make small nose sounds from crying or a cold. Sarah sat in the corner sniffling after the argument. Are you okay? You've been sniffling all day. Bug, bug. To annoy. Mom. Susan's bugging me again. That loud sound is really bugging me. Cram. Cram. To study a lot in short time, exam or text. Jane crammed all night for the test. Don't cram, study a little every day. Barf. Barf. To vomit. Emily looks like she's about to barf. The baby barfed on my shirt. Blab. Blab. To talk too much or share secrets. Why did Sarah blab about the surprise party? Liam can't keep a secret, he always blabs. Choke. Choke. To fail because of nervousness. Tom choked during his big presentation. Don't choke, Emma. Just relax and do your best. Rant. Rant. To talk loudly or angrily. Oh no! What is she ranting about? Don't rant, Sophie. Just explain calmly. Whine. Whine. To complain in an annoying voice. Ella's always whining about her chores. Stop whining, Oliver, and do your homework. Gobble. Gobble. To eat quickly and messily. Emma gobbled up her burger in seconds. Jenny, slow down. Don't gobble your food. Holler. Holler. To shout or yell loudly. Grandma hollered from the kitchen, dinner's ready. Pam hollered and nearly jumped out of her chair. Hog. Hog. To take more than you share. He always hogs the blanket when we sleep. The kid hogged the whole bed last night. Snuggle. Snuggle. Press against someone in a comfortable or loving way. I love to snuggle my cat. He's so soft. The baby snuggled into her mother's arms. Crash. Crash. To fall asleep suddenly, or attend without invitation. I crashed on the couch after work. Can I crash at your place tonight?